This is one more problem I wanted to solve. See, I am giving different kinds of problem so that you can face the problems when the exam arises. So you can face the problems confidently. That is why I am giving different kind of. There are, see, one thing. There are lot of problems. You go through other books like R.D. Sharma and Oswald. There are thousands and thousands of problems are there. If I go on so it will be getting, there is no end to it. But one thing, but I try to do the maximum possible ways of attending to the problems. Okay. See, this equation is also a linear equation. This is 1 4 by x plus 3y equal to 8. This is one equation. And 6 by x minus 4 by y, minus 4y equal to x. Sorry, minus 5. Okay. These are the two equations you have to solve. Now, what you have to assume in this kind of problems, you try to learn this. In this 1 by x, you write as u. So, what will happen to the 4 by x? So, actually, the 4x is 4 into 1 by x. Okay. This is how you should write. This 4 is 4 into 1 by x. So, we have assumed 1 by x is equal to u. So, this becomes 4u. Now, this is becomes 4u. Okay. Because we have assumed here. And like that, the 6x becomes 6u. Okay. So, now we have got in the form of normal linear equation. So, this 1 by x has become u. So, this is normal form of equation. So, now this 4 by x becomes 4u plus 3y equal to 8. So, the 6 by x becomes 6u minus 4y minus 5. Okay, there are two equations you have to solve. So, this is equation 2 and equation 3. Now, we are going by the elimination method. So, if you see, if you multiply by 4, sorry, this equation, this becomes 12y. If you multiply by 3, this becomes also minus 12y. So that is why I am multiplying this equation by 4, this equation by 3. So to cancel out the y. So 4 into this equation, 16u plus 4 into 3y, 12y plus 4 into 8, 32. Okay. Again this 3 into 6u is 18u. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12y. 3 into 5 is minus 15. Okay. Now this becomes 12y and minus 12. You can cancel it out. If you add, you can cancel it out. Now 16u plus 18u becomes 34u. 32 minus 15 becomes 17. So u is 17 by 34. U is 1 by 2. So you have got u is 1 by 2. Now you have got u is 1 by 2. So we can substitute in this equation to get y. Now don't rush it for x. First you find out y. Okay. So u is 1 by 2 means 4 into u is 1 by 2. You cancel 4 by 2 is 2 plus 3y is there, 3 is equal to 8. So 2 plus 3y equal to 8, 3y equal to 6, y equal to 6 by 3 equal to 2. So you have got you have got and y you have got. Now we have assumed here 1 by x is equal to u. So 1 by x is equal to u is 1 by 2. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2. So if you cross multiply or you can take, see this 1 and 1 is same. So this should be same. See, you need not cross multiply also, but for the convenience, since the numerator is same 1, so denominator should be same. So x is equal to 2. Now as usual, you should check whether, now you have got two answers, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. This is very fine. They both are 2 now. You want to see whether you have done the problem correctly. let us substitute here the x and y. So 4 by x. So 4 by x is equal to 2, 4 by 2 plus 3 into y is equal to 2. So 4 by 2 is 2, 3 into 2 is 6, so 8. So the 8 has come. Okay, that means you have done the problem correctly. Hence the problem is checked and proved. See, this is why I used to tell you. Write the question, get the answer. From the answer, go to the question again. This is you are cycling. It's like a circle. Okay, you are doing the circle now. So you have completed the circle now. So this is a different kind of problem I have. See, I think I am taking linear equations for the past 3-4 days. So next I will go to the quadratic equation. I will give the introduction to the quadratic equation. Even I will solve some of the linear equations if I think I wanted to solve, which is very important. That is why now I am telling you there are lot of questions are there. You see, I am giving you some guidelines. I cannot go on solve. Then it will take I have to total 24 hours. I have to solve the problems. So it is not possible. But I am giving you different avenues, different views of the solving the problem. Okay, you take it in your mind. Try to do it on. See this 2 and 2. No, x is equal to 2 and 2. You can substitute here also and see minus 5 is coming. Check, check, check yourself whether you are getting this minus 5. This is your exercise for you now. Check it here. Okay, this is you do it and yourself. Thank you for watching. And again, I wanted to say, subscribe to my channel. Now, one thing is good. Number of watches are coming. My views are increasing. One way I'm happy, but the other way, my subscription is not at all increasing. This thing I need not say again and again. I'm getting bored on subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. See, subscribe to my channel. What is wrong with you? I don't know. You subscribe to my channel. What is the when I am doing all this? Why don't you do that? Huh? Do it, please. Thank you.